Earth is only one of the planets in our solar system. There are 7 other planets that also orbit our Sun. The planet Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is the 5th planet from the Sun and 588 million kilometers away from Earth. Even though it is so far away, Jupiter is usually the 4th brightest object in the sky. Jupiter is a gas giant. It is a huge ball of gas with no solid surface. It is the atmosphere with colorful belts and spots. It is so enormous that you could fit over 1,300 Earths inside. To help you imagine this, if Earth was the size of a grape, Jupiter would be the size of a basketball. Jupiter's most famous feature is its great red spot. This is a giant storm that has been blowing non-stop for hundreds of years. The spot is bigger than the Earth. Jupiter is named after the king of the Roman gods. The Romans named it the Star of Jupiter after seeing it in the night sky, believing it to be sacred to their god, Jupiter. Jupiter is very different from Earth. One day on Jupiter is less than 10 hours long. It is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. Jupiter takes a long time to orbit the Sun. Day 1 on Jupiter is the same as 12 years on Earth. Jupiter has 79 known moons. 12 of those were only discovered in July 2018. Out of Jupiter's 79 moons, the 4 Galilean moons of Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto are of the most interest to scientists. Io is the 5th closest moon to Jupiter. It is the 4th largest of Jupiter's moons. It was discovered by the scientist Galileo in 1610. Io has over 400 active volcanoes on its surface, some of which shoot fountains of lava miles high. They are so powerful that they can sometimes be seen erupting through telescopes on Earth. Europa is the 6th closest moon to Jupiter. It is also the 6th largest moon system. It was discovered by the scientist Galileo in 1610. Europa is covered in a layer of ice. Scientists think that Europa is the most promising place to look for a habitat suitable for life away from Earth. Ganymede is the 7th closest moon to Jupiter. It is also the largest moon in the solar system. It is bigger than the planet Mercury. It was discovered by the scientist Galileo in 1610. Ganymede is covered in a crust of rock and ice. Scientists have found strong evidence that there could be an underground ocean on Ganymede. Callisto is the 8th closest moon to Jupiter.